Welcome. This is your boy Keith with Million Men. I got another video for y'all. It's the new year, and apparently some of y'all getting these checks. Y'all getting these stimulus checks, right? So I'm gonna give y'all some things that y'all can potentially invest your stimulus checks in. Okay? Keyword is invest, not spend your money on. We're not gonna be consumers no longer. We're gonna think about things we can invest in. So let's get into it. First thing, I want to try to keep it simple for y'all. Now, this is something I see on Facebook Market all the time. This is something I see that's available for financing. It's available in so many different means. Vending machines. Now, if you live in any community or city, like I know you do, you could potentially get yourself a vending machine, right? In a vending machine, like for example, I just had a vending machine and I sold it for $600. The reason I sold it is because I was moving on to other investments. But this vending machine was making about $100 a month. And then on a good month, it might make $150, close to $200 a month. Vending machines have great returns because they only cost you a few $100s to cost you your stimulus check, right? And with these few $100s, you could be making 2, 3. It depends on your location. I didn't have the best location. And because I didn't have the best location, I didn't keep it. Listen, I didn't invest. Look, I needed my money for different things, bigger investments. There's financing options. Some of y'all going to find that, I just looked on the website. I saw that you can get a vending machine and you can finance it for, $75 a month, $100 a month, but you know the perfect location. And with the location you might find, you might be able to offer this small business owner 10%, or a fixed rate. It might be like $50 a month to pay them to let the vending machine collect whatever. Listen, this could be vital. To put some passive income in your life. I'm talking about passive income in another video. Passive income is extremely important because it doesn't cost you time, your most valuable asset. So let's get into this next one. You could potentially invest your next stimulus check in learning a skill. I know some of y'all are like, learn what skill? What you talking about, Keith? What you talking about? First of all, stop fronting. Stop. We both know that you can invest in something like they have weekend classes at community centers. They got online classes for a skill. You could be a notary and going to different places and getting $300-$400 to help people sign papers if you were a detail-oriented person. There's many ways that you could be earning more money by learning a skill. Notary is a good one. And cater it to you. I'm just giving you a couple keys. You got to figure out which doors they unlock. You understand? For the example I'm going to use is a notary. I know that costs less than $500, and you could potentially be making upwards of $3,000 a month with this skill, and you could be doing it while you have a day job. It's real. This is real information. This is tangible information. It's going to give you tangible results in your life. Another thing you can do. This one's a goodie. This one you hear so often. You can start an LLC. Now, I know some of you are like, I ain't trying to be a business owner. First of all, why not? Slow your roll. Why not? Because an LLC can give you certain benefits that's going to be greater than it generating money. So, for example, you can start an LLC, get an FIN number, and then, or FEIN, my apologies. With this FEIN, you can start getting business credit, and business credit is much larger than regular personal credit. You could start, using that for tax purposes and saving your money. You can, start an LLC. I can talk about all the details of that in another video. You can start an LLC for less than $100, probably about $150 if I'm being honest. When you start factoring all the little costs, it depends on your state. My state, Pennsylvania, costs about $125. Okay, but that's a small investment that you can make to start actually generating income to become the entrepreneur you've been saying you wanted to become. It's 2021. Come on, start. Stop wasting your time. The next one I need you to do. I need you to fix your credit. Now, I know. Some of y'all done said it before. Y'all done heard me say it. I'm going to fix my credit, or, I tried the credit repair. That's a scam. You notice like practically anything you can spend your money on, if you don't actually do the proper research, can be considered a scam, because somebody can get you out of your money and not give you the service that you expected. That's the definition of a scam. You paid for something and didn't get the service back. So I need you to find somebody that's actually respectable in your community, that actually has solid reviews, that actually is showing results, that actually is going to run down and break down everything they're going to do. Because once you find this person can help you repair your credit, or you could take a couple classes. Ties in this learning skill. You could take a couple classes that's going to teach you how to do it. And sometimes these classes don't cost nothing. There's a lot of people on YouTube giving this information out for free. If you want me to help you with that, I can. But fix your credit. This will have long-term value that's going to surmount anything you can buy, anything you can spend that $600 on. Some of y'all, I know you right now thinking about that PS5. I know you right now thinking about that Xbox. Maybe you want to switch. I don't care. Don't. Do what I'm telling you. Follow my instructions. These instructions will be vital for actually getting you in the position you want to be in. The last one is going to be get secured credit. Now, I know for some of y'all like, what do you like? That's the same as the last one. Not necessarily. It involves credit, but getting secured credit usually has a cost. And since it has a cost, this would be the perfect time when you're getting an influx of money for no reason. Because if you're getting this stimulus check, that means your income is not where you need it to be. And typically, if your income is not where you need it to be, your credit is in the same exact position. So get you some secured credit. You've heard me say before, you got places like Open Sky. They don't check your credit. You got places like My Jewelers Club that give you extremely high limit. $5,000, that's a high limit for most of us. You got a credit score of 470 or 5 something. I've been there. Getting secure credit. This is the perfect time to do it. Perfect time. Listen, I'm giving y'all 5 little things. They're minor. The things listen, vending machine, check it out. If I'm wrong, then let me know. I take this bad boy right down. But I'm not, I promise. Check it out. Get the information for yourself. Learn a skill. This skill can give you returns on your money. Start an LLC. This LLC can give you access to tax savings. It can give you access to more credit that's not associated with your actual Social Security account. It's not associated with your personal credit. Major key right there. Fix your personal credit. Right? You like that transition? Fix your personal credit. And then lastly, get you some secured credit. I know some of y'all thinking like, yo, I don't need no more credit. Listen, I just need you to be responsible with it. Getting secure credit, especially when it's like store credits and stuff like that, they give you them high limits. And then the key is you don't need that stuff. Use it for gifts. Use it when you're trying to give a gift. And I'm not, listen, watch out for these scammers and these people that's out here telling you, yo, babe, yo, boo, or listen, don't get them no gifts. Worry about your mother. Worry about your people that's important to you. Use it then. Other than that, these are the 5 things that you can do on your next stimulus check. It's your boy Familiar Man. I'm just trying to add a little bit more value in your life. I'll see you on the next video.